Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to cast Google Pixel to Samsung TV, screen mirroring and smart view guide. Method 1, cast using Google Cast. So connect your Pixel phone and Samsung TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Now open a cast enabled app such as YouTube or Google Photos. Then tap the cast icon and select your Samsung TV from the list of available devices. The content will start playing on your TV. Method 2, mirror your entire Pixel screen. If your Samsung TV supports Google Cast or has a Chromecast connected, open the Google Home app on your Pixel and select your TV or Chromecast device. Then tap Cast My Screen and confirm by tapping Cast Screen. Your Pixel display will appear on the TV. Method 3, use a Chromecast device. If your Samsung TV does not appear as a casting device, connect a Chromecast to the HDMI port on your TV. Then complete the Chromecast setup and make sure both devices use the same Wi-Fi network. Now open the Google Home app or use the cast feature from supported apps and select the Chromecast device to start casting. Goodbye and thanks for watching.